Welcome back to the final segment on city-states. So, what city-states have you heard of? I bet you're going to say Athens and Sparta, which are probably two of the most famous city-states. Okay, so we know that the geography impacted the formation of the city-states because of the terrain, unification was difficult, and the different city-states were formed instead of one unified nation. Okay, so where are all these city-states? Okay, remember here we have the Ionian Sea, we have the Aegean Sea. Black Sea is actually all the way over here. Mediterranean Sea, Macedonia, Persia, Ionia. We know all that from our map work. So now let's start looking where the city-states are. Here we have Attica, we have Peloponnesus, Athens right here. Sparta! I am Sparta. Sorry, referring to a movie, Spartans. Okay, we have the city of Thebes, not the same city that was in Egypt. Two Thebes, completely not related. Okay, we have Argos, Megara, and Corinth, and Olympia. Now, where are you all asking? Where do the gods live? Right up here with Mount Olympus. We're going to get into the gods in a different lesson, but this is where the gods lived in Mount Olympus. Okay. So, what are some things that they had in common? Language, religious ideas, culture. What was different about it? Pretty much everything else. We've gone over that already. First of the city-states, Sparta, located on the Peloponnesus. Okay, known for their strong military and militaristic society. From the age of 7, children were trained in the military. They were taken away from their parents, and believe it or not, kids in Sparta were taught to lie, to steal, to cheat, but not to get caught, because they wanted to have their citizens as cunning as possible, and this is the way that they trained them. They allied with Athens during the Persian Wars. That was very rare. But they fought against Athens during the Peloponnesian Wars. Okay, and then we have Athens, the great city of Athens. Located in Attica, considered the birthplace of democracy. Okay. And we'll be going over what the golden age of Greece was, but during that time they made a lot of advancements in literature, in education, in science. Okay, they had a very powerful navy. Okay, then there's Megara, very powerful city-stated, located in Attica. They colonized the Byzantium on the coast of what is now Turkey, so right where around Troy is located. They were conquered by Athens during the Peloponnesian Wars. Corinth, located on a narrow strip of land that connected the Peloponnesus to Attica, about halfway between Athens and Sparta. One of the largest city-states and largest centers of trade. Their economic success often caused conflict with Athens. Athens was a little jealous. And however, during the Peloponnesian Wars, they sided with Sparta. Argos, located on the eastern Peloponnesian Peninsula, dominated the peninsula until the rise of Sparta, and remained neutral during the Persian Wars. But they sided with Athens during the Peloponnesian Wars. And by the way, the Persian Wars and Peloponnesian Wars we will get more into. Thebes, located northwest of Athens, did not like Athens, helped the Persians during the Persian War, and Sparta during the Peloponnesian Wars. In 371, Thebes defeated Sparta and for a short time became the dominant military power in Greece. Okay, so that ends our city-states. I'm going to put a few links at the bottom of this page. These you are not required to watch, but it's a lot of interesting information. Do not forget that you definitely need to answer the questions on the Google form on the next slide. Have a great weekend. I miss you all. I love you. Mwah.